In a bold move towards micromobility, Patak Motors, a Slovakian automotive company, has unveiled the Patak Rodster, a charming and nostalgic electric microcar that's taking Europe by storm. With its sleek retro appearance, open-top allure, and an enticing starting price of just $24,000, the Roadster is making waves among urban commuters and vintage car enthusiasts alike. The Patak Rodster, developed as an 7-liter EA2 vehicle in Europe, carries a unique distinction. It can be driven by individuals as young as 16 in certain countries. With dimensions measuring 132.2 by 54.9 by 53.4 inches, and a svelte weight of 450 kilograms, excluding its battery, the Roadster encapsulates the spirit of the iconic skinny poke trim and lightweight roadsters of the 1930s, ushering in a nostalgic yet futuristic driving experience. Available in 2 distinct variants, the Roadster offers flexibility to cater to diverse preferences. The Stage 1 model is propelled by a rear-mounted permanent magnet synchronous motor, boasting 20 HP capacity. This micro-marvel can accelerate from 0 to 50 km per hour in a brisk 7 seconds, and reach a top speed of 130 km per hour. Fitted with a 10 kWh battery, the Stage 1 Roadster delivers a commendable range of 100 km on a single charge. For those with longer journeys in mind, the Stage 2 version of the Roadster features an upgraded 20 kWh battery, extending the range to an impressive 250 km. Otherwise, both Stage 1 and Stage 2 models offer the same distinctive appearance and thrilling driving experience. Charging the Roadster's battery is a breeze, with a full charge achievable via a standard 220 volts mains outlet in just 4 to 9 hours. Stepping inside the Patak Rodster, you'll find a blend of classic charm and modern convenience. The car boasts disc brakes, a wood decor dashboard, full leather upholstery, and a multifunction touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates modern technology with its vintage aesthetic. The central locking system ensures security, while the 3-spoke steering wheel exudes a sense of elegance. Practicality is not overlooked either, as the Roadster features a 200 liters trunk, making it ideal for errands and grocery runs. To top it off, the car comes equipped with a tire repair kit and a rain protection cover, making it ready for various driving conditions. For those seeking to further customize their Roadster, Patak Motors offers an array of optional accessories, allowing owners to personalize their microcar to their heart's content. These options include various interior and exterior enhancements, allowing owners to make their Roadster as unique as they are. The base model of the Patak Rodster, with all its retro-inspired charm and modern electric technology, can be yours for an enticing starting price of approximately $24,000. This price point is sure to turn heads, making electric mobility more accessible to a wider range of consumers. But if you're one who craves an extended journey without frequent charging stops, fear not. Patak Motors has got you covered. For those seeking more range and a long-lasting driving experience, the long-range model of the Patak Roadster starts at a competitive $26,800. This upgrade offers an enhanced battery capacity, providing you with the freedom to explore even further on a single charge. With this option, you can confidently embark on longer journeys without worrying about the next charging station. With the Patak Roadster, Patak Motors is bridging the gap between nostalgia and innovation. This retro-inspired electric microcar combines the best of both worlds, the timeless appeal of classic roadsters, and the eco-friendly efficiency of electric mobility. As it begins to grace European streets, the Roadster is set to become a symbol of style, practicality, and forward-thinking appearance, all wrapped up in a compact and affordable package. Whether you're a fan of vintage aesthetics or a forward-looking urban dweller, the Patak Roadster has something to offer, bringing a touch of the past into the future of European micromobility. I am interested to know your opinion about this vehicle. Would you purchase it yourself or not? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.